तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Mind Speaking. After a very long time, I am back in YouTube with exciting Switzerland series. I recently visited Switzerland. It took a lot of planning and preparation to make this trip successful. So, in this Switzerland series, I am going to share the top attractions to visit, money saving tips, and the exact ticketing system which you can refer in your next trip and make your Switzerland trip memorable. So friends, I reached Geneva last night. Flight got delayed, so it was late check-in. I got up really late and heading towards city to get few important things. First thing first, you definitely need a Swiss SIM with internet recharge. You can either get a Leica or Libera SIM for 10 to 20 francs. Another important thing is to get an adapter for your charger. Most hotels provide USB recharge points, but having an adapter is a must. I came to one of the Burger King near to where I stay. Luckily, I got some vegetarian options, so let's eat. In Switzerland, buying a ticket is very easy. It may sound difficult at first, but once you understand, it's easy. So I'm taking a day ticket for whole day. It's actually valid till 5 a.m. Next day, and for second class, it's 8 francs. It's valid in all bus, trams, and boat rides. Every city in Switzerland has different day ticket fares, also by different providers, but there is one thing is common is Swiss trains run across the country, as well as if you buy SBB tickets, they are valid on all type of travels. So either you buy a day ticket by SBB website, or you can get a full ticket which is valid for around like 2 days or 5 days or 15 days. So there is also a half fare card, which literally means that you will only pay some amount upfront, and it will be reduce your every train journey prices to half. Now let's go and buy my half fare card. It cost 106 francs, and I'm going to enjoy my whole Switzerland journey with 50% off on every travel and attractions. I couldn't get tea or coffee in the morning. Also, I would like to explore the local market. So this is Migros. So I'm inside this Migros to get some coffee and to have a look at prices of few different items. This is something really new to me. I never buy coffee or tea from outside. It's always I brew it freshly in home. So it kind of feels nice to get fresh one outside readily available. I took my coffee and started walking towards Lake Geneva, and here is the fountain and also beautiful scenic view of the lake. Very first attraction that I want to do today is enjoy the beauty of Lake Geneva. There are multiple places where I can sit and enjoy my coffee along with Lake Geneva view. That's what I'm going to do right now for another 15 to 20 minutes. So my day ticket already includes this boat ride to water fountain in Lake Geneva. So I'm going to get into a boat and enjoy this view. Blue lake, green mountains, and white waterfall made it all sense for the day. And this boat ride take you next to water fountain, and you can feel the water droplets in your body. That feels amazing. I'm on the other side of the lake. I'm going to explore the city, and I'm going to see what's there in it for me. Next attraction I have in the list is this giant wheel next to this Ponte de Mont Blanc, which is a bridge, which is beautiful lake with view, multiple Swiss flags, very beautiful place to click lot of pictures. Fourth attraction that I am visiting today is iconic flower clock, which is close to this giant wheel. Around 6,500 flowering plants and shrubs are used for this clock. Fun fact is, plants are changed as the season change. Fifth one is not an attraction, but this is something important. Never waste your money to buy water in Switzerland. You will see lot of water fountains around the city. It's very fresh, drinkable and sweet. Sixth attraction for the day is St. Pierre Cathedral. From this place you can have an amazing city view and this looks fantastic. By this time I used map, camera and lot of other things to get most of the things sorted throughout the day, so this is the perfect time to visit my seventh attraction, which is art museum. I'm going to spend a lot of time here to charge my phone as well as to visit this place. This is very beautiful day and beautiful view. I am back near this water fountain. This is my first day in Switzerland. I wanted to do the Switzerland trip since a very long time. I would say like many years I wanted to do this. So since I'm here, I'm a bit confused. I watched lot of YouTube videos, I read lot of blogs, and when I'm here I'm just blank. I just want to sit here and enjoy. I'm having kind of fear of missing out. I'm not even ready to go out and have some food. It's almost evening. Most of the attractions and museums are going to close very soon, so I'm going to do one last attraction for the day, which is monument Brunswick, and it has got an interesting history. I'm going to share it with you very soon. This is one of the historic building in Geneva. Duke of Brunswick Charles II made lot of fortune and moved to Geneva. When he died, he left his fortune to Geneva in the exchange for a beautiful funeral and a monument in his name. That's how this monument of Brunswick is built. With that attraction, I'm going to finish today's journey. I'm going to take some rest. In my next video, I'm going to show a lot of Switzerland mountains and beauty of it. Till the time, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos and take care.